Let's see if this. I think the red button to record.
I'd imagine it usually is.
Which one do I just do it? That one or what?
You sure you want to try it first?
I'm sure. Yeah, let's see this the camera.
I gotta clear the fall zone. Nothing but.
My gloves.
Put it on, I got plenty of film. Start recording. This is the protective gear that we wear when we do the wheelbarrows. We have a doubtful young man of 17 over there. The old great time traveler. Master time traveler himself. A human being is not capable in one move to get up on top of a top.
I don't think it's gonna work that way.
That's a long ways up.
Yeah.
What am I called, Nils? You can leave the recording on. You can put it back on.
It's crazy. I can do it or not. I didn't see how you did it. I was like,
You have to look at review.
I didn't see. Wait, I just saw you did it.
Is it recording still?
No, I paused it.
Okay. It's recording again.
You need to show me how you did it. I didn't see it.
You can't look at this and record it at the same time. Get that off and let's see it.
Careful getting it down now.
Yeah, don't hurt yourself. What's the pay? Well, here you go.
Hey.
We'll give him a demo.
Hey.
Just leave the recording all the time. That's when you get the best stuff. Pretty cool though, huh?
You have to
Think you'll be able to do it?
I don't know.
You can do it, Nils. I don't know what you think.
Right there. Yeah, knock it down.
Kitty, no.
Are you recording or just taking pictures?
Oh, I'm recording.
Oh, twice!
Not once, but twice.
But I can't. What's he supposed to call me now? What was that now?
Old man.
Old man great one, I thought.
Oh, wow. Yeah.
You got it, Nils.
I see you do that.
One training is all he needs. He's the master. He can do it. All he needs to see it was one, and he can put it up there.
I don't know.
You can just
you
do
can
it.
Do it. Let's
One
see.
time, and he can do it. And he's the master of the wheelbarrow, too. Oh, I'm glad that window was down. Oh.
Wait.
Oh. Oh, yes. This guy, you can do this in perfect. Oh. Yeah, you can do it. Man can do it. You can do it. Okay. Oh, perfect. You don't want to do it there. No, not there. You want to go up above there. Yeah. A little higher. Way to go.
Yeah.
Listen, nobody else can do that. Nobody but the great one.
Wait, no, I'm going. I have to get this.
Yeah. Nobody but him.
You put a dent in the truck.
Put a dent in the truck.
Yeah. That's what done my truck.
Okay.
All right.
Cutie.
Just in case. I do use it occasionally.
I need to get on top.
Well, I mean, did I put it on top? No. Okay. Yeah.
What is it?
My baby. I just fixed it today, too.
Good stuff.
But now, see, you take this over there to Norway, and you're going to be rich. You're going to be rich. Yeah, you got it, though. You have it. You just haven't got it where you want it. Oh, notice trouble a little bit. Notice that.
It was correct. I'm breaking
That was good though. Look at that, huh? Hey, for me, the title is worth it. You know? Yeah. I thought I could too. I've never done that before.